Hello, boys and girls and families. I'm trying to figure out this video camera. It keeps moving around on me. I think that's good. Yes. Anyway, if you wondered why I had a game in my last video, I'm going to show you. And I'm going to repurpose this a different way. I'm going to erase this, and we might use this to lay things on. I just want you to notice we just touched on a few letters. We didn't do the whole sheet. Our last video, we didn't talk about every color in the marker box. Sometimes our attention spans aren't that long. So I just do bits and pieces, and then you can expand on my ideas at different times, okay? Here's another bit and piece. The game sequence can be repurposed. This is for ages 7 through adult. A lot, maybe you're not working with someone that's 7 or to adult, and that's okay. But we can repurpose this, and we can gear up and down depending on our audience. So we have this cool game. I don't know if you've ever played this, and kids think it's fun. You get different colored chips. You have blue, you have red, good job, you're so smart. You have, growl at me, green, yep, heck yeah. So good job. So you practice some colors. That's fun. Then you can practice some counting. You've got number recognition in a deck of cards. So let's take a look at this one. You can either tell me the number you see, or you can count what shape is that? I love diamond as an answer, but even better, I like when you say rhombus. Let's see what we've got here. Does anybody know what number this is? 5. Some of you might have said 5, and that's fantastic. Kiss your brain. Sometimes, I always kiss this side. This is my right. Let's kiss the other side. Good job. All right. If you want to, you can kiss your elbow, but your elbow is not what came up with that good answer. So let's kiss your brain. So anyway, let's count the rhombuses. Rhombus. Let's just call it a rhombus. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Ta-da! We know that that's the number 5 because there's 5 diamonds on it. Don't get tricked by the little dinky ones. They're just under that 5, okay? All right, ready? Let's do another one. We could talk about letters. We could say this is a Q, but there's nothing to count, and I want to count something else. You ready? Here we go. You might know what number this is. If you said 4, fantastic. But look at this. 1, 2, 3, 4. There's 4. And what's the shape? Rhombus. Yep, that's the fancy Nancy way. So you play with your parents this fun game, and then you can play it by yourself because you either know the number or you can count the shapes and find out. That's fun. Let's do one more. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. And guess what number that is, boys and girls? It's a 3. Awesome sauce. 2 thumbs up. Give yourself a round of applause. Get it? Round, it's a circle, goes around. Okay. Also, I just want to point out this is a shape. 2 long sides, 2 short sides. 1, 2, 3, 4 sides. What is it? Rectangle. Can you say that? Rectangle. What if I turn it this way? 2 short sides, 2 long sides. 1, 2, 3, 4 sides. What shape is it now? Still a rectangle. Can't trick you. Give yourself a pat on the back. How about over here? Good job. So you can do fun things with cards. Also, I think it might be a good fine motor skill to practice shuffling these cards. Okay? So, and maybe don't use the whole deck. Look at this. You ready? Here we go. I don't know. They're going to be kind of big for your little hands, but why not try? You can also build with them. If you make a house of cards, I would like to see it. I haven't done that for a really long time. I would love it if you and your family would make a house of cards. Ask them what that means. You're gonna take it and line them up and build on them. You can build with these, believe it or not. Try it and then send me a picture because I will be super duper excited. Okay? All right. And then I wanted to show you one other thing with this game. You can play I Spy. So, say you draw a card. Uh-oh, my battery's low. Okay. Say you draw a card, okay? Let me find one I like. We're gonna work with the 8 of hearts. Let's make sure I'm right. And this, let's make sure this is an 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I was right. It's an 8. I checked. Okay? And it's red. Okay? So we know we're looking for something red. And it's an 8 of hearts that we're looking for. So we're going to look all over this board. And I found one. There's one. And actually, there's 2 of each on each board. So we have to find the other 8 of hearts. And it's over here. You looking? We're looking for this. Do you see it on the board somewhere? If you pointed right here, you're right. Yep. And if you were playing this game at home, then you put one of your chips on that and mark the spot and pick a new card. Then you'd know what you'd done. And you can try to get like 2 or 5 in a row. Make the game fun for you. Make it easier, make it harder. Just make sure you have a good time. Oh, you get out of here. It's my turn. Silly little cook. I have to go because Mr. Denny made dinner, and that's very nice. Actually, I can see them eating, and there's the dogs. I hope that you were able to learn with me because that's pretty interesting what's going on in my house. So, do you want to say hi, Mr. Denny? Do you want to wave, Mr. Denny? What are we having for dinner? Tacos. All right. Have a blessed night, everybody. Remember, kind hands, caring heart. Be nice to each other. Bye. Make your family smile.